Picture this. Your phone knows your face. Netflix knows your guilty pleasure shows. Spotify knows exactly when you need sad songs on a rainy day. Ever wondered how? It's not magic. It's not luck. It's machine learning, and today you're about to understand it in a way that's actually simple, exciting, and totally beginner-friendly. Welcome to Machine Learning 101, your official crash course into a world where machines learn, predict, and make decisions, all without needing a human whispering in their ear. And if you're sitting there thinking, I have no clue where to start, then it's perfect. You're exactly where you need to be. Let's dive right in. At its core, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data without explicitly programming them. Imagine showing a computer thousands of cat and dog photos labeled properly. Over time, it learns to recognize new animals on its own. It's like learning to play piano by listening to songs instead of reading sheet music, which is learning from examples, not instructions. Now machine learning comes in 3 flavors. First is supervised learning. This is like learning with a teacher. We give labeled examples like, this email is spam, this one isn't. Next is unsupervised learning. Here the machine figures it out with no labels, finding patterns all on its own. And last category is reinforcement learning. Learning through trial and error, like training a dog with rewards and corrections. This was a quick walk through the 3 different categories in machine learning. If you want to know more about all these topics in depth, then head over to our detailed and in-depth machine learning playlist. You can access it with eye icon on the top right of the video. Now let's walk through the machine learning workflow. It's more logical than magical. First step is collect data. This will be your raw material. Second step is to clean and prepare. Here we fix errors, remove junk. Trust me, 80% of the job is done here. Next step, we will choose a model. Pick an algorithm like decision trees or linear regression. Then we will train the model by splitting the clean data into training and testing set, then passing the training set into your model, so as to train it. Now after training we will test the model. Here we will first test the model on the test set, which we kept while splitting, and make predictions with it to check accuracy. If the accuracy is up to the mark, then you can test in on new data as well. After this we move to tuning and improving the model. Here we adjust and optimize for better results. Then in the end we deploy. Here we launch the model to make real-world predictions. We'll dive deep into each of these steps in upcoming videos, so stick around. As you all know, machine learning is everywhere. And here are just a few places it's hiding in plain sight. Like in finance while spotting credit card fraud, in healthcare while diagnosing diseases from medical scans, in retail while predicting hot-selling products, in entertainment while curating your perfect Spotify playlist, and in social media while filling your feed with irresistible reels. If you have spotted ML sneaking into your life in a cool way, share it in the comments. So, there you have it, a precise and crisp walk through machine learning. These are just few basics required for you to start strong to learn data science and AI. And for this, you cannot escape from understanding machine learning. But don't worry, we have you all covered. We have a dedicated playlist for machine learning as well. So you can learn machine learning and data science and AI all hand in hand. Now in the next video, we'll build your first ML model, step by step. Don't worry, you'll do it right along with me. If you learned even a little today, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. More awesome tutorials are on the way, including your first ML project, neural networks, natural language processing, and more real-world projects. Until next time, keep asking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. See you soon.